Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on iPhone. So guys, if you are using any iOS device and when you have opened your WhatsApp and want to find any contact number and facing the issue that all the contacts are not showing on your WhatsApp in iPhone. So guys, easily you can fix this problem and you will be able to get back all the contacts on your WhatsApp. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, the first possible way to show all the contacts is you have to open your settings on your iPhone and you have to scroll it below at last, and guys, from here you will see the option of WhatsApp. So guys, simply you have to open your WhatsApp from here, and guys, now you will see this type of interface. And guys, first one, you can see the option of contacts as you can see here. So guys, if it is disabled on your iPhone, simply you have to enable this option from here, and guys, you have to go back. And another is you have to click on, here is the option of privacy, and you have to click on contacts, and from here you have to make sure that you have enabled WhatsApp as well. And guys, after doing these both settings, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to see all the contacts on your WhatsApp. So guys, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is a update problem on your WhatsApp, you have to open your app store, and guys, here you need to search WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, you have to open this and update your app if not updated. And after doing this, you have to go back and open your settings here, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and after this you have to scroll it down, click on your WhatsApp, and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.